see. Let's pick a video. Do you want to listen to Jizz in My Pants? No.
Will you go get the curling iron and plug it in?
Okay, 1 second.
Because I like my hair curled. Then you can get a video of me curling my iron.
Alright.
Or curling my iron. Curling my iron.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm just curling my iron.
What was the last thing I said to Connie? Oh my god, it's past Christmas Day, so I might as well do a birthday routine.
My friends say I'm a fool to think that you're the one for me. I guess I'm just sucked up for love, honestly. Do no wrong. My money is yours. Give you a little more because I love ya, love ya. I got that on video. Everybody knows. Now everybody in the world will know you call me a nerdfish. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. I videotaped my trip to get your curling iron, and I got my mom calling me a nerdfish on camera. Tell me what I wanna hear. Okay, are you gonna curly hair now?
Yeah, but you plug it in, it's kind of got to heat up.
It takes like 2 seconds, I swear to God.
Well, I'm going to wait a couple minutes.
Oh, you love.
It's got to be really it's got to be hot. That's how I like it.
Hold on it.
Hot and sweaty.
Ew. I don't like sweat. Sweat is yucky. That was the ugliest face I've ever made in my life. Not really. That's totally going to my face. He's not talking to me. Oh my God.
Well, I like his best friend than I am.
Oh, how you do, man? Kiss me, kiss me. Isn't this here? How do you say I don't care? I hold you near. What?
I'm talking to Josh and he's like, don't record because if you put this on, he's going to be like, what the hell, they were talking about me.
What? What did he say? If I knew where the headphone was, I would totally block out what you're saying. But what did I won't put this on YouTube. We'll put it. I won't put it on MySpace. I'll just put it on YouTube. What did he say?
Nothing.
He said something naughty. Because you won't say it. This is from the Sad movie. Did you know that? 90 miles outside Chicago. Can't stop driving. I don't know why. But need an answer. 2 years later, you're still on my mind. Whatever.
Go back.
My hair's so poofy. I think it's all the snow and it got all wet. Who?
I was in the middle of typing a message and it went to some random.
Oh, someday we'll know if love can move a mountain. While the sky is blue. Oh, wrong part. Anybody know the way to Atlantis? Or what the wind says when she cries? I'm really digging my hair, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of too poofy, but I like it. a funny face. It's like, okay. That's a funny face. Sing, Janae.
Daddy's comment! Hey, no dudes, I'll beat Sinead. If I figure out you're knocked up and shit, I'm gonna kill you. I love it. It's just Mitch.
Have I showed you my grill, right? No. Love me cancerously, like a salt sore soaked in the sea. High maintenance means you're a gluttonous queen, narcissistic and mean. Kill me romantically, fill my soul with vomit. That's not very romantic, I'm sorry.
Huh? It's not very what?
Romantic.
Oh, I know. You're awful. I love you. Nice grill. It's sideways. Let me see it. Ew. Oh, man.